desertification is the increased concentration of toxins as you move up the trophic levels of a food chain.
Only 10% of the energy in one trophic level is passed on to the next trophic level. Primary producers use sunlight to make their food by photosynthesis. Primary producers. Emus are primary consumers. This means that they eat for the producers and only get 10% of the energy from primary producers.
Otters are secondary consumers.
Bears are secondary consumers because they eat fish, which are primary consumers.
America.
Lions are tertiary consumers because they eat secondary consumers.
Honey, did you know that when animals are together, they do weird things like altruistic behavior and agnostic behavior? They even have instincts. Wow. What?
I never knew that.
It's crazy!
Agnostic behavior is any social behavior related to fighting due to lack of resources.
An example of agnostic behavior is when gorillas beat their chests. Altruism is when an animal sacrifices its own well-being for the benefit of another animal.
Meerkats are an example of altruistic behavior. One meerkat stands guard while the others get to eat. It doesn't get to eat, but make sure the other meerkats don't die. Instinct is an innate behavior that is performed without any prior experience.
An example of instinct is a fixed action pattern, such as when a baby chimp latches onto its mother. This is an example of mutualism. Lauren benefits from having the bugs removed from her hair, and Matt benefits from the nutrition from eating the bugs.
Wow, I'm so cold.
I have another jacket.
This is an example of commensalism because you aren't getting harmed and I'm benefiting.
This is an example of parasitism because Matt is getting exhausted from Lauren riding on his back while Lauren benefits from not having to walk around. Species richness is the total number of different species in an ecosystem.
And species evenness is how the numbers of these species compare to one another.
The zoo is a perfect example of species diversity.
Species diversity measures species richness and species evenness.
While walking in the woods one day, Chris and Martin saw something strange. A little leaping lemur who liked to bounce and play. They followed their new bouncing friend, not knowing where this adventure would end. The animals were headed just around the bend.
Where they going?
I don't know.
How do we get there?
Come on, let's go. Me and you and Zaboo. Come on.
Look at these flamingos just chilling.
We're doing the things that animals do. New animal friends to see. Animal Junction's the place to be.
Charging baboons are leaping. Wild dogs running and nobody's sleeping.
Me and you and
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. 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 My music's so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch.
where this adventure would end. The animals were headed just around the bend.
Where they going?
I don't know.
How do we get there?
Come on, let's go. Me and you and Zaboo. Come along and see what's new. We're doing the things that animals do. New animal friends to see. Animal Junction's the place to be.
We swear to God, this is not fake.
It's breathing.